అవ్వట్లేదు. So Mazda Company of Bangalore consigned Yes, Nikita, you continue. So, Mazda and Company of Bangalore consigned goods to Ram and Brothers of Lucknow of value of rupees 5,000 and invoiced the same at a pro forma of 20% above cost. They paid thereon 120 for freight and a cartage of rupees 80 for insurance. They drew on Ram and Brothers for 2,000 at advance against the consignment and sold the bill for 1950. Sold the bill means it's nothing but got it discounted. Got it discounted with the banker and Artham. So they received account sales showing that 3/4 of the goods were sold for rupees 5,200 and Ram and Brothers expenses amounted to rupees 175 and their commission is 300. Here we need not calculate anything, everything he only gave us. The unsold stock was valued at actual cost and the 2 months draft was received from Ram and Brothers in settlement of the account, he said. So here, this is the information he has given regarding the 10th sum. So here the sum is very simple, ma, because we are calculating everything very clearly. There is no such particularities about. So actual invoice sum anedi, the basic invoice sum is this one, we can say it. So what all information, as it is, what all information he has given, that will go with it. So first information, what he gave, he said the goods. I said no, yesterday I gave very clear explanation that invoice is nothing but cost price profit percentage. Cost price plus profit percentage. So first information will take about the what all he gave. So he has sent a good sent on consignment was 5,000, which was actually CP. How I can say it is CP means he said the value of the goods is 5,000 and invoiced the same at a pro forma of 20% above cost and so that means he gave the 5,000 of as a cost price. The 5,000 whatever he gave, it is of a cost price. Now how we are going to invoice it, how to find out invoice price? He said 20% above, but on what 20%, we don't know. So remember, whatever he said, that only we are going to take a base. Now see here, the question goes like this: invoice the same pro forma at 20% above cost. On which price he is talking about? He's talking about cost price, above cost price. So whatever he gave, that particular price I should assume to be 100. Whatever he gave, that price I'm going to assume to be 100. Okay, so then I'm going to start here like this. That is, let the cost price is equal to 100. అంటే వాడు ఏదైతే ఇస్తాడో అదే ప్రైస్ ని మనము 100 అని ట్రీట్ చేయాలి. అంటే లైక్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద పర్సంటేజ్ హీ ఈస్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్, లైక్ 20% above cost, 10% above invoice price, or whatever he gives, above invoice price, above sales price, or above cost price, అలా ఏది చెప్పినా that particular price I should assume let it be as 100. Let it be as 100. So that is what here I am doing. So here he gave me 20% above cost, he said. So that's why first I'll assume let my cost be 100. Therefore, yesterday I told you about equation, how the invoice price equation will be. Invoice price is equal to cost price plus profit percentage. Okay, so take down. So how much I said cost price is 100. And then what was the percentage, profit percentage he gave? 120. Therefore, invoice price is equal to, we got it now. Invoice price is equal to 120. Invoice price we got is 120. Now, the price goods sent on consignment, whatever he gave, is of 5,000. Now, I want the information of 120. It should be how much? So, how my equation goes like this. So, goods sent on consignment at IP price, I'll find out like this. That is, for 100, if the price value is 5,000, then for 120, it will be how much? So we are going to go for cross multiplication. So how much it will be? 5,000 into 120 divided by 100. Yeah, 6,000, correct, 6,000. So 6,000 is the invoice price. Now this I got it. Now this information we have got it. So like this we will find out. So in this format we are going to find out. So we got goods sent on consignment IP price, and whenever there is IP price, I said we will record our books of accounts also in the IP price only. The rest all information will be the same, I said, except goods and goods sent on consignment and consignment stock. But here luckily what that fellow said, consignment stock we are valuing at an actual price. No consignment IP price. We are valuing at an actual price only, it seems. So here consigner expenses, he only gave how much? 120 plus 80. Then consignee expenses, he gave how much? 175. And then consignee's commission also he only calculated. So how much? It is 300. So all the things we have got it. Now we are going to calculate only about what? Now we are going to calculate the consignment stock. Now he said how much were have been sold. It seems the sales showing 3/4 of the goods were sold for 5,200. So 3/4 worth of goods were sold, ma. But whereas 1/4, 3/4 సేల్ అయింది అంటే బేస్ 4 ఉన్నాయి కదా. సో 4 parts లో 3 parts సేల్ అయ్యాయి అంట. 4 parts లో 3 parts సేల్ అయ్యాయి. ఓన్లీ 1/4 part is not sold. Now how is this one? Normally every time we would have seen that 100 goods we are sending, 10 were lost and 10 were unsold, 20 were unsold, 29 were unsold. We used to have a number, not like this, no, like 1/4 and 3/4. So whenever he says that sales are of 3/4, means I will take these particular, the 4 as a base, means 4 parts are there. So in these 4 parts, the 3 parts have been sold. So how much is the leftover part? So unsold is 1/4. So therefore unsold is 1/4, we'll assume. But how I should find out a value? Now, what is the question he said, ma? The unsold stock is valued at an actual cost, it seems. The unsold stock is valued at which price? Actual price, means cost price. So that is the point I'll keep in a mind for calculation. So therefore, calculation of unsold stock, which is 1/4 of cost price. So therefore, value of the stock is, what is the cost price of the goods sent on consignment? 5,000. So on this, I will multiply 1 divided by 4. So it will be how much? 1250. That's it, no? So to this one, we will add whose expenses? We will add consignee expense, consigner and consigned, because it is unsold, no? So we will add both the person's expenses. But here I have to see if the consignee is, it's a non-recurring only, we'll add, not all. But consigners default, we will add all the expenses. So consigner expenses total are how much expenses, ma? If this is the way he's giving 3/4 150, then it is damn easy. Why? Because simply what you have to do is into, for everything you'll go like this 1/4. So how much it will be now?
50.
50.
Yes, 50. So therefore the total unsold is 1300. Okay, understand? So this is what here it is. Okay, so unsold stock we have got it. And here ikkada unsold ఇచ్చినప్పుడు most of the cases లో మనకి డ్యామేజ్ గూడ్స్ ఇవ్వడు నానా, ఓన్లీ అన్సోల్డ్ మాత్రమే ఇస్తాడు అనమాట. సో అన్సోల్డ్ ఇచ్చేసాడు, అన్సోల్డ్ వీ హ్యావ్ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్, నౌ నథింగ్ ఎల్స్ దేర్. సో వీ కెన్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద అదర్ పార్ట్. కన్సైనీ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ నేను ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవట్లేదు, ఎందుకు అంటే వెరీ సింపుల్, హీ గేవ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ఆఫ్ రామ్ అండ్ బ్రదర్స్ 175 అని అన్నాడు, కానీ డిడ్ హీ మెన్షన్ విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ రికరింగ్ అండ్ విచ్ ఈజ్ నాన్ రికరింగ్? He didn't give any clarity. So whenever the clarity is missing regarding this one, what did I said? Simply what we'll do? We'll avoid. So that is what here I find it is avoidable to prepare the consignee's expenses. So that's what I am doing. So here I am going with the transaction of first consignment account in the books of consigner, that is Mazda and Company. So I'm going to go for Mazda and Company account. Then I'll go for Ram and Brothers, who is our consignee. So these we are going to go with. Then we, as usual, consignment stock and so and goods sent on consignment, that also I'll prepare it. First we'll go with this one, because he said show the transaction in books of both the parties he has asked. Okay, fine. So particulars amount, particulars amount, consignment account. This is in the books of Mazda. Mazda and Co. So first here, please remember, whenever you are going to go with this one, to goods sent on consignment, I am writing at a IP price. I'm recording at a IP price. How much is the IP price? It's 6,000. Whenever it is like that, immediately you are going to post opposite side, opposite side. So here, opposite side we are going to, I said no compensating entry and opposite entry se kada nana. So I will go for buy goods sent on consignment, reserve ani anochu, loading ani anochu annan. So this how we will find out is IP minus CP. Okay, IP minus CP. So IP minus CP is equal to how? 6,000 minus 5,000. Antena? Goods sent on consignment IP price emo 6,000 and cost price enta 5,000. So enta vastundi appudu answer?
1000.
So this is very important. Once immediately you're going to write goods sent on consignment account, then compensate entry immediate go opposite lo raseseyali. That is default. Your responsibility, you're going to do it. Immediate, you're going to do it. Or else you will forget. then rest all will be as it is. Actually consignment stock ఇచ్చిన వెంటనే ఇక్కడ ఆపోజిట్ రాయాలి, బట్ ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ లో కన్సైన్మెంట్ స్టాక్ మనం యాక్చువల్ కాస్ట్ మీద కనుక్కున్నాం, అందుకే నాకు ఇక్కడ లేదు, లేకపోతే నాకు అది కూడా ఉండేది. సో ఈజ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ అండ్ 10 to రామ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ వచ్చేసి 175. Then to Ram he only gave, we need not calculate kabatti direct ga commission ani తీసుకుంటున్నాను. So which is 300. And here sales, how much sales he made by Ram 3/4 sales, which he made it for 5,200. Then by consignment stock 1/4, see 3/4 1/4 correct ga 1 complete చేసేసామా మనము. So how much we got it? We got it 1,300. So this is at which price we have calculated? At a cost price. అందుకే మనకి ఏమి రిజర్వ్ లేదు ఇక్కడ, డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇది తీసేసుకున్నాం. So that's it. Now tell me how much is your profit? Yeah, right, 825. What is the font you are using, Ray? I find all boxes appearing. Shivani? So here we will transfer to P and L, which is profit 825. Done. Then we go for consignees account. So consignee is Ram and brothers, no? So brothers account. So particulars amount. So here Ram and brothers, wherever we are, just we are going to reverse the entry. So here we have what, ma? We have a bill receivable. So bills receivable, simply వాడు ఎంతకి డిస్కౌంట్ చేశారు నాకు సంబంధం లేదు. So simply I'm going to write bills receivable advance 2,000 I'm going to take as it is. Then expenses by consignment. ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటే అక్కడ తీసుకుంటామని చెప్పాను కదా, అందుకే డైరెక్ట్ గా మీకు ఇన్నిసార్లు చెప్పాను కదా అని ఇంకా డైరెక్ట్ తీసేసుకున్నాను. సో కన్సైన్మెంట్ కమిషన్ which is 300, and here we are going to take sales, that is 2 consignment sales, which is 5,200. So balance ఎంత వస్తుందనా?
2,725.
Yeah, 2,725. So here we are going to write as by bank balancing figure is 2,725. Okay. So total is equal to 5,200 and 5,200. Okay. Now, next we are going to prepare. Oh, today's strength is 81. It's record breaking. Good. A good number of students have joined. Now, next is we'll prepare what? Goods sent on consignment account. So simply what we'll do it, ma. So whenever it is goods sent on consignment, IP and CP price, how we will record? See here how I'm going to record. Here two postings will make it because two sites it is there, no? So that's why two postings we are going to make as by consignment. Now this is at a IP price I'm going to record it, which is 6,000, ma. Then here I'm going to write as to trading account 5,000, because in the trading account we will transfer what? We will transfer only the cost price. So here goods sent on consignment reserve, we will transfer like this as 1,000. Sorry. Consignment reserve 1,000 like this. So whenever we are going to transfer, we will transfer the actual price, cost price lone transfer cheyali denki trading account, because what my rule says, principle says, always the cost concept means always we are going to record only at a actual price of the stock. So that's why it is very important. We'll transfer it like that anamata. This is consignment stock account. So consignment stock account, we are going to write here as to consignment, which is 1,300. Idi kuda same. If we are been taking at a invoice price, then deenki kuda mana double posting system. Balance carried down. And here I'm going to write as to balance brought down 1,300. Now he said in that particular parties also no. So ikkada place unte ikkada rasestam. So here I'm making consignee books lo we will prepare only consigner's account. And we know it, all opposite postings only we will make. So here consigner is what? Mazda and account. So here we are going to prepare as particulars amount. So what did I say? There whatever is on the debit we'll take on here credit, and akkada credit lo unnayani ikkada debit. So first advance. Here I said there it is receivable aithe ikkada payable avutundi. So it is advance kabatti we are going to write advance, which is 2,000. Then to bank expenses, which are 175, and to commission, which is 300. That's it. And here manaki bank kuda vachesindi kada, so adi kuda raseste same elago vachestundi kada. Balance carry, balancing figure, which is how much? 2,725 annaru kada. And by bank sales 5,200. That's it. So whenever he is giving 1/4, 3/4, that will be calculation wise. This will be very easy, ma. So please take down 2 pages. First to take down this page. Screenshot.
ఒకసారి ముందు స్లైడ్ పెట్టారా? స్క్రీన్ షాట్.
Okay. I'll put it up. Okay, this is done.
Yes, ma'am.